Today we are going to make this beautiful charms anklet. Let's get to the materials required. Anklet lock, gem rings, beads of your choice. Here I am using crystal beads. Charms of your desired design, a scale, gear wire, gear lock, and lastly the pliers, flat nose plier, round nose plier and cutter. First take the length of your anklet using a scale. Then cut your gear wire according to your length. Now add a gear lock. Next you are going to add a jump ring. Make sure the jump ring is pressed and closed properly. Put the gear wire through the jump ring and then the gear lock. Now pull the gear wire tightly. Now press the gear lock flat with the flat nose plier. Now one side of our anklet is secure. Put the beads according to your pattern. Put the extra gear wire into the beads. Remember to put the same side of every charm while putting it in. Add the beads in pattern till desired length. Now I have finished putting in my beads. Now let's close our anklet. First put in the gear lock. Add a jump ring next. Put the gear wire through the gear lock and 3 to 4 beads. And then pull the gear wire tightly but make it a little loose. You don't tighten the charms anklet because the charms will stay still and make the anklet look stiff. Press the gear lock tightly next. And cut the excess gear wire. Use a cutter to cut the gear wire. Lastly, add the anklet hook to the jump ring. Our beautiful charms anklet is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Till our next video, bye bye.